Okay, I will say I really like this bench. And what I wanted, of course, as I mentioned, that I wanted it to be easy. So all of these pieces were, I think this is 8 feet. I didn't even want to cut these. I wanted the biggest possible. So I bought 2x4s, 8 feet long, and then I cut them in half to make that direction going that way in the rectangle. So 4 feet by 8 feet, very simple. I took two boards. It wouldn't fit in my van. I bought a board like this. I think it's a 3/4 inch or, yeah, this big piece here. And I had them cut it at Home Depot because it wouldn't fit in my van, and I stacked it by 2. So I have a seam going down here. And I just sanded the hell out of it, and then I painted it white, and you can see what's happened. I use this a lot for, like, I almost called it welding, but it's soldering. I use this as a ham radio bench. One issue I have is that I use this as a bench, but it can be annoying when you're sitting here for a long time doing radio because your knees kind of bang up against that. It's not the most comfortable to sit at. So that's something just to keep it in mind. You know, this is a standing bench. I got the 2 shelves. It's nice to get everything up. I added this little piece here. I'll show you the back of it. Very simple. It's pretty sturdy. It's not that great. I had to cut a hole in here to bring power through the back. And I put lights underneath, the running lights, as you see. I feel like it's a little messy. I have so many wires. As being a ham radio guy, I have tons of wires. I'm always cleaning this off and messing it up. I'm cleaning it off, but having a space like this in the basement has been wonderful. As I might have mentioned, I wanted something just super easy. I didn't want to do a lot of woodworking, so I bought these pieces here. I didn't even care the cost. I didn't want to spend a lot of time woodworking and measuring and all, and I didn't have to. With 8 feet, 4 feet, you just drill the hell out of the bolts in here and here. Not bolts, but screws. And then these were easy too. This just a lot of simple cutting. And that's about it. You can kind of mix and match however you want. This is a little bit flimsy, but you know, it gets the job done. It's just there to hold stuff up. Would I buy this again? Just like that, yeah. Because still, I don't feel a lot of woodworking. This is for people that don't have a lot of time. They just want to get something up and running. Am I ever going to take this out of the house when I move? Nope. This thing is staying here. But it's really nice just to have a spot in the basement with, I have a power problem, but just to come down here and, you know, just to do my soldering. Then when I'm done, I just push everything back. Just like that. Then I'm done.